They say what you seek is seeking you, and if you are searching for a gateway to an exceptional academic journey, then Marsh Road HA5 student accommodation in London is the one for you. This place offers fully furnished shared apartments that assure a good night's sleep in the city that never sleeps. Your private bedroom greets you with a snuggly bed, a side table with a lamp, and a large window bringing fresh air and soothing natural light. The wardrobe and ample storage space help you to stay organized. The immaculate bathroom and the shared kitchen are just the ones you dream about. Step out of the apartment and walk for 5 minutes on Marsh Road to explore at least 5 delightful restaurants. From grocery to the movies, everything can be reached in less than 10 minutes. You won't be late for your classes at the University of Westminister Haroow Campus, as it is just a short ride away. Besides, living in London and not exploring its vibrant culture is impossible, so catch a bus just down the street from the Rayners Lane Pinner bus stop and get ready for the amazing nights on the town. London is calling you. So hurry up and secure your home today at amberstudent.com.